boys and girls, it's time for review question 22, so make sure you have out your game board packet and let's get started. It says, which box has the largest volume? Well, I think the first thing we need to do is figure out the volume of each box. And we know that volume is length times width times the height. Or we could also say the base, the area of the base times the height. Either one either one would work. So I'm going to start with box A, and I think about 8 times 4 is 32, and 32 times 5. I don't know how to do that in my head, but I do know how to do 5 times 4 is 20, right? 5 times 4 equals 20. And then we could do 20 times 8, because we could do 2 times 8 is 16, and then just add that 0. So this box is 160 inches cubed. And then let's try this one. 15 times 3 is 45. And then 45 times 4, which 16 is 180. I could also think about 45 times 2 is 90, so 90 times 2 is 180. Well, this one is 180 inches cubed. So it says, which box has the larger volume? Well, it would be box B, because 180 is bigger than 160. Then it says, how much bigger is that box than the other box? Well, I would take 180 minus 160 and get 20 inches cubed as a difference. All right, today's secret word is volume. Volume. If you participated today, give yourself a point, and we'll see you tomorrow.